All right. We back. We got pizza. It's time to figure out if this is gonna work. That's awkward. Got an ad. Let's see. Let's put this to. There we go. All right. That's all right. I think we lost the music. There we go. There it is. It's back. Okay. So we're back here. Let's try running Titanic. Oh, did we not save it with 10? Oh no, it did 10. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Successfully opened this. Successful Numenode. Oh, successful Numenode read. That's a first. Oh, had negative. Okay, never mind. Never mind. Still technically unsuccessful because it returned -1. Okay. Okay, so successfully open these libraries this time. Damn. Okay. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. We are getting so much closer. So I think it still used my CPU. Let's see. All right. Feature column APIs are being deprecated, then why is that still being taught? It's all right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so we're missing CUDNN, which we know now that we can install so we shouldn't get the System 76 version. So let's see if we can just install this. Okay, download CUDA 9. Okay, so what do we grab? I don't want this. We want, oh. Why is that my screen left? Look at that. Oh, okay, my screens got shuffled around. Alright, hold the phone. Hold the phone. My screen left is that. Okay. That's screen middle. That is not screen right. That's screen right. Okay, we're good. You guys can see that? Okay. We got that, we got that. We gotta submit a survey. Oh, here we go, on Linux. If only that's what our CUDA directory was. Do we have a local in our home now? Let's search for CUDA. No. It's fine. Let's get a deb file. Do I have this? I sure do. Oof. Alright. Well, hold up. Let's see. Let me just fill this out real quickly. We do gotta do a stupid survey. Hope you guys don't mind. Let me just fill this out. Dude, I just want it to work. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Let's download. Okay, so okay, thank God it tells you which CUDA version it's for. So we want to get 7.6.5. Let's go. We want it for Ubuntu 20. Let's just get it for this. Yeah, do we want the developer or runtime library? Developer library? Question mark? Yeah, okay. I think we got the right thing. Following packages have unmet dependencies. So it's saying it depends on CUDA 10. But we have CUDA 10. But we have CUDA 10. We literally just installed CUDA 10. Is this going to be a tar? Let's try this one first. Hey, this one's work. Oh, but this is runtime. I don't know if we need runtime or developer. Probably developer. Probably developer libraries. I can pretty much guarantee you that failed. Oh, let's see. Okay. So we got libcuda worked. Adding visible GPU devices. Creating TensorFlow device on GeForce 2080 Ti. Creating it on the 1070. I think it worked. I mean, here's one way to try it. I mean, let's turn this back up to 1,000 and just see how fast it is. Because before on the CPU it was super slow. See, that still seems slow to me. That seems very slow. Is it running on my CPU? It totally is. You can see it running on my CPU. And these are gonna drop. Yeah. It like almost seems to work. Like it didn't throw an error this time. But I guess that doesn't necessarily mean it worked, question mark? That still seems so slow. Okay, let's see. So it's doing... It loads libcuda. It finds the device. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's running on my GPU. Question mark. Oh, there it is, yeah. Successfully opened dynamic library lib cudnn. I mean, we can see if this is an issue. Memory error and TensorFlow. There's the code that prints the message. It's not a failure, just a warning. Uh-oh. Excuse me. Okay, so someone has a manual workaround. It adds both GPUs. I feel like this is bad. But then again, create a TensorFlow device. With 8 gigs of memory, almost 9. Oh. That's not good. See, I want to say it's working on my GPU now, but I almost feel like it's not because of how slow each epoch took. It still seemed kind of slow. Here's someone asking a question. How do I tell if it's using GPU acceleration? Okay. Let's try it. Let's see what happens. I think it is using my GPUs now, but it's just, oh. No attribute. Session. Can I do that on the model? Question mark? Probably not. Let's find out. Nope. Oh, here we go. Here's a compatible V1 session thingy. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Okay, so I don't think we need to print this because it literally printed out the object. Device mapping. CPU, GPU, GPU. Okay. Cool. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right. So it is being accelerated by my GPUs. It just didn't seem like it was going that fast. Let's do 100 epochs. Okay, maybe that is faster. It still seems slow though. I don't know about you, but that seems a little slow to me. I'm just saying. But that's GPU accelerated. That's GPU accelerated. All right. Well, in that case, I think it's time to apply this to something new. So let's see. So my friend just sent me something on GitHub. He texted to me. What did he send me on Discord? Okay, it's on Discord. So while this is running, let's pull this up. Yeah. All right, just about done. It's probably still gonna be dumb as hell, but all right. We're only 7% sure that they're gonna live. Boom, they lived. At least we didn't have any, like, look at that. 99% sure that person was gonna live. And they lived. That's good. That's not bad. Alright. Well, I'm kinda happy with this, to be honest. I'm pretty happy. Let's see. All right. Let's look up some different training CSV data. Let's look up like large sum. I just want like a big dump. No one's got any giant data? Here we go. (2018) census. Let's try this one. Effects of COVID-19 on trade. Jesus. Food price index. Who doesn't love food, man? I was just saying earlier today how much I love food. Food. Oh, so what's in the folder? Weighted averages. Seasonally adjusted. Let's just open the raw data, man. There we are. Let's see. How much data do we got? It's a lot of data. I mean, it's not that much data. It's not big data. Okay. So then we can take like a random selection out of this data. Oh, this is all for New Zealand because it was NZ. Taking a look at New Zealand stuff. So what I almost feel like we should try is working with the data value, or maybe period. That'd be kind of cool. I think data value would be good. And we could see based on I mean, none of this other stuff really changes. Yeah, the only thing that changes is the year and the yeah, that's not much to go off of. Oh, I guess this changes. This changes. Okay. Maybe we'll do this. Did not say hey Google. That's fine. Ready to eat food. Do we want to do food? Who wants to do food? I kind of do. I like how so much this is just labeled food. They're all final and index. That literally doesn't matter. Okay. We'll come back to food. Actually, let's look at the seasonally adjusted. Okay, it's a lot less data. What is this? Weighted averages. So one kilogram, okay. Could do trying to look at which ones have like the biggest size. None of these are that big. What are CSV files? That's kind of interesting. Geographic units by industry. Let's see. I think we already downloaded this. Oh, we already did. That's awkward. Dimension index. It's a good sign. It's taking a while to load. Ooh! Maximum number of rows per sheet was exceeded. That's a good sign. That's the maximum number of rows per sheet? Not even that many. That's a good sign though. Oh, maybe that's why we used pandas to read in the CSV. Because I bet you pandas can read in like larger CSVs than Python normally can by default. What do we get to? Wow, we're not even like past 2004 there. Okay, so what changes? What are we looking at again? Geographic what now? Who? Geographic units by industry and statistical area. I don't really know how to make sense of this data. Oh, here we go. A separate operating unit engaged in New Zealand in one or predominantly one kind of economic activity from a single location or base. This is the head count of all salary and wage earners for February reference month. Okay. So separate operating unit engaged. Okay. I almost feel like tomorrow we should come back and try to learn another form or another what's it called? Another type of model, since we're doing Kira's sequential. This pizza's delicious. What should we work on next? Data.gov. Jeez. You can just get this? What kind of education data do they have? School survey. Career and technical education programs in public school districts 2016 to 2017. Was I was 2018, I think. Climate. Hourly precipitation data. This is wild. National Weather Service. This is so cool. Let's try Chicago. Let's see what we got. This is a thing? This is a thing? What? Wow. To estimate annual wages for hourly employees. Jeez. Let's see. You can get progress report cards for Chicago Public Schools 2011-2012. Public passenger vehicle license. This is wild. Apparently all this you can just get. CTA. Now that I am interested in. Last updated 2017. Only 20 rows. Daily totals of L entries. Oh shit, this is more recent. Export CSV. No way. Look at that. Oh, it's not even that many. Wait, why do they all say 2001? Oh, well, this is probably just a preview, I guess? Because that seemed like a large CSV file. Let's check this out. Hopefully it can load the whole thing. Oh, it's getting there. It's trying. Dang. Dang, okay, that's pretty large. That's a large data set. And look, it's like so close to being too many. Okay, we can totally use this. This is wild. Why are these not even ordered? Wow. Let's try and find what's like was this updated in 2020? Oh, that'll be so interesting. That'll be so interesting. When was this last updated? It was 2020. June 17th. That's pretty recent. I don't know yet. I don't know, Robbie. I just want to find something. So I just got like a basic thing working in TensorFlow. I just got it working on my GPU. So now I'm looking, or it's accelerated with my GPUs. So now I'm just looking to find data sets to test on. I just want to get comfortable with AI. That's kind of what I'm looking to do right now. Is just really get comfortable with it. And so what I'm looking at right now is Chicago has public transit. It's called the L. If I'm just looking for benchmarks, what's up? GitHub benchmark dataset. Thank you. I shall check it out. TensorFlow dataset. Maybe I'll take TensorFlow out of there. Oops, what did I click on? Wait, was it? Oh, scholarly. This is probably what you meant. Oops. I'm not seeing. I mean, did you just want me to choose one of these? Or was there a specific one? But right now we're looking at, look up perf 0. I shall. Oh, it's a framework for TensorFlow. Cool. Oh, cool. Or this, but it's older? This is older? Or is this not what you wanted? This is pretty recent. Oh, so it's under benchmarks from TensorFlow. Oh, okay, yeah. I see that now. This is older. Thank you. Thank you for this. Okay. I don't have Docker set up on this machine. I'll definitely try this either tomorrow or Friday. Right now, I think what I want to do is I just want to get, I want to take data like this and just apply it to what I created. So what we already created was a sequential model that just takes one input, you try to get one output. But I can look into this too for tomorrow or something. Oh, cool. So it lets you test. Okay. Docker image. See, you gotta understand, Robbie, I know so little about any of this right now. I'm just trying to get anything to work. And somehow this works. So I'm happy with it. Oh wait, actually. Let me turn the epochs down to just 10. But I'm very happy that I got this working with Titanic data. So it just predicts whether or not people are gonna live on the Titanic. It's not very smart. Thought this person was gonna live. They died. But that's alright. That's alright. But I'm very interested in this information about the Chicago Public Transit. Because this seems like it's been updated. Let's see if we can find the year 2020. No. Oh yeah, look at that. These are all 2020. Oh, so it does get organized towards the end here. Nice, okay. Yeah, so I kind of want to drop this in. Feed it all this information. What's the first row? Is that just an identifier? Station ID, okay, yeah. And have it predict how many rides we'll get going forwards. So I might do, because this is back from 2001, I believe. So we got almost 20 years. So we could take into account the date, the station, and how many it got previously, and have it predict what it will get going forwards. That's pretty cool if you ask me. But I'll look into that, what's it called? I'll look into Perf 0. Absolutely. For now, I'm going to try this out though. I'll make some, oops. I'll make some, evaluation data for it as well. Probably should have kept it open. That's fine. Let's go back to before COVID. hours. Let's see. Look at that. Jackson was up at like 6,000, 7,000. And then COVID hits and it's just down instantly. That is wild. That's so wild. Yeah, Belmont, same thing. What is this? Day type. What does that mean? What does the day type mean? It's very interesting seeing the station ID, like internal station ID. Hmm. Gentle introduction to K-fold cross validation. Resampling procedure used to evaluate machine learning models. Shuffle the data set. Put the data set into groups. Yeah. Yeah. All right. All right, let's copy. Well, actually, let's ignore Actually, we can just pop those in there. And then let's make one called CTA. And then we'll rename it train.csv. And then we'll just copy Titanic into here. And we'll rename it CTA. Let's take actually, yeah. Let's stage these. Cool. Actually, just discard. Okay, we can just stage those. Hmm. Let's start reworking this. That's all right. Okay. Let's grab. Okay. Let's grab station ID. Station name. Date. Day type. And rides. Okay. Let's grab those. Okay. Okay, so we do have that in there. Okay. We'll do numeric features. Actually, we don't need station ID. Yeah, we don't need station ID. Easier just to do station name. Okay. We definitely want date. But how do we get all those values in there? To do. Write all dates to yeah, we'll write all those to the category. Probably just do a loop. Figure out how to do that later. Okay, so we want the station name, we want the date, we want the day type, we want the rides. And rides is our, yep, okay. Cool. Numeric features. Are rides. But we didn't add them last time. Our numeric features did not include. Oh, I guess they didn't, yeah. So in this case, we just do right. Cool. Now we shall. Cool. Now we gotta do this. We want. We want station name, date, and day type. Let's find out how to get individual elements. Get unique values from column. That's what we want. Data. More filters. Standard filter. None. Yeah, column B, my bad. Here's the field name on the first row to none. Oh, okay. You do that. Oh. No duplicates. No, we do want to do that on column B. What? Hello? You already do it? Oh, maybe we already did it. Might have already done it. I think we did it. Cool. How do you do this again? There we go. Oh. Oh no. No, 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 no. No. Not what we want. Damn it. Well, it's fine. Just get rid of them on these lines. Now we go up. To what line? 89. Bop. Bop. Oh. Oh. Oh, that didn't work. Oh. Tragic. Works on most of them. No, it doesn't. Can we do like... Yes! Oh my god. Okay. Look at that. O'Hare Airport's a problem. Again, O'Hare Airport. Always O'Hare. Central Park. Didn't add library. It is not, but it gets added to a... It gets added to a something when we pass it in. It gets added to a categorical column in TensorFlow. Does it need to be in a data frame? Or are you asking about like all the data? Because all the data is just in a CSV that we pass into. We read it with pandas. Where do we do that? Oh, really? Oh. Does it automatically do it? Yeah, that's what we're doing. That's what we're doing right here. We're doing pd.read CSV. But that's just for our numeric data. For the ones that aren't numeric, I'm pretty sure you have to do this. Or are you saying we can just do read CSV? Or we can just use read CSV. All right. Something like that. Oops. Thank you. Let's see. df. Oh, you can do that? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. I haven't really used pandas before. That makes this a whole lot easier. So I can just get rid of all these that I'm doing by hand and just do that for... Yeah, thank you. Oh, that's amazing. Dude, saving the day. Thank you so much. So I can just get rid of this whole list. And you're saying I can just do df dot... Yeah, yeah, that saves a lot. That saves a shit ton. Station name. Yeah, no underscore. Station name. And then just drop duplicates. That's beautiful. .to list. Yeah, okay. Dude, if that works. No, yeah, you're all good. It's station name with no underscore, even though the station ID has an underscore. I didn't make the data. And I could change that, but I'm too lazy. Cool. Awesome, dude, thank you so much. That wasn't even in like an official TensorFlow, because yesterday I followed a tutorial, or 2 days ago I followed a tutorial to get a basic tutorial that TensorFlow had for their Titanic data working. They did not mention that you could just get that through Panda or pandas. That's amazing. All right, so then dates. Oh, that saves me so much work, because I thought I was gonna have to write all of the dates, all of the possible dates from like 2001 till now to a list. Oh, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's incredible. And then date type. Oops. And then you're coming in so clutch right now. That was amazing. I would have never thought to use pandas, even though I probably should have, because that's how I'm reading the CSV file to begin with. Yeah, that's a good point. It did. It wasn't even that good of a tutorial too. It had a lot of parts where it would be like, here's one way to do this, and then it would instantly be like, but since we're using more than numeric values, or since we're doing this way, let's do it another way. And it wouldn't make it very clear when it was like telling you a way you could do something or a way that you had to do something. But this is nice. This is awesome. If this works, just works off the bat, that's gonna be amazing. Problem is I need evaluation data. So right now, maybe you can help me with this as well. Right now I have all of the data in my training set, and I want to separate out just like random values from this data. I'm gonna reload it. Oops. No way. Thank you so much. Will that actually? I should just look into pandas. I should just look into that. Because my friend yesterday was telling me that you can load CSVs just using straight Python. But can pandas load like longer CSVs? Is that a thing that it can do? Is it just like, I don't even know what pandas is. I haven't really looked into it. I'm just using it. Okay, so yeah, it's a data analysis library. So it is very much made for loading tons of stuff. You've loaded 2 million? Dang. That's wonderful. Okay. Then in that case, I'm totally gonna take what you just said and use that. Okay. I'm just gonna write a new what did you say to do? Ooh, but this is only reading the numeric features. So what I think I should do instead is do nf equals df dat, so we get numeric features. So this will just grab, let's see, if you use sklearn, that has a train test split function. I'll just use it in pandas. I'll just use pandas version. It doesn't do the split for you. It only samples 20%. You need to exclude them from the original to get another variable that is the other 80%. Oh. Got it. So you're saying it'll give me 20%, but in order to get the other 80%, I gotta do some fancy stuff to get that. I think that's what you're saying. I haven't done Python in a while, man. Okay. Whew. Should I just use TensorFlow to get this file for pandas in this new thing? I'm just gonna do that. What did you say to do? So you can do df.sample and then use frac. Do you need to do math.frac in Python, or can you just do frac? Oh, you're just setting a parameter to 20%. So then how do let's look into it. I have their API reference open. Pandas sample function. How do I check the version of pandas? No idea. Oh, okay. Did we do that? Oh yeah, we did that. Okay. So that gets you a data frame. All right. I see random state. Did I enable random state? I don't know. Let's just sample let's sample 1%. Let's just print that out. that grabbed from the Titanic file. No, you're good. You're good. I really appreciate the help here. I see. Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Maybe it would be best to use pandas to save. Oops. To save a train invalidation CSV. Yeah, possibly. I mean, that's what I'm trying to do now is get pandas to output both CSVs for me because I don't, unlike the Titanic example, I don't have the training and evaluation data set already for the CTA stuff. I'm actually going to rename this to cta.csv. And then how does this work? It's not going to tell me. Oh. Let's just plop this here. Who cares? We don't need this. It's all good. I figured it out. It's because I had the this Python file in a folder, so that folder didn't have the CTA file. Oh, or not. Oh, I just completely messed this up. Hello? Excuse me? Well, if out.py is right here in this TensorFlow testing directory, and I try to grab CTA, can I just do this? I would think this would work. Or did I plop this? Yeah, no, it's just chilling in TensorFlow testing. Hey there, Brian. Does it actually need to be that? Then why on earth did this work? In my, in this here, I'm able to just... This, like, works perfectly. I am so confused. So I should almost just plop this into here. This doesn't need this? Question mark? Dude, Bruno, what's up? Everyone's here. How exciting. Right now? You guys want to see this? Oh, not that. Look at how much data in a second. Oh, look at that. It worked. Beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, look at this. Look at how much data you can get about the CTA. Joe's gonna lose his mind. You can find out how many people went on it in what days. So I'm gonna apply this AI to figure out how many people it thinks are gonna ride the CTA on certain days. So right now we're just trying to output 20% of this giant ass CSV to a separate CSV that we can use as the testing data once we've trained it on the other 80%. And here you can see it's outputting pretty well already. Okay, so we don't need TensorFlow in here. Okay, so then after we sample that, how do we get the rest? I guess it just gives you the lines. You said we need to exclude. How to get inverse of pandas get excluded data from sample. Huh. Yeah, so how do we get the rest of the rows now? If we're able to get these rows, how do we get the rest of them? Is this sample still a data frame if we took that 20%? Okay, now that you have this data frame, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. Okay. Was that, and then what is the squiggly doing there? Is in Terran.index. Dude, I don't know what I'd do without you right now, man. Let's see. Like that. Oh, really? Kind of wild. I read Terran. Oh, you wrote Terran. I was like, where is Terran coming from? Train.index. But train hasn't even been, do you mean test? Because we're making train. Or should this be train? Because we just made test and now we're making train. Okay. Cool. So test will get me 20% and this will get me the other 80. Because the not. Okay, so not is in test. Cool. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Now the question is, oh, you can't even fucking, sorry. You can't even see that. I got it. Let's see. Okay, so if we do what is including the index? So I found this site that says how to export. Okay, cool. Where are we? Let's export it to CTA slash so what's this guy doing here? Do we want him or no? Do we want index? What is the index of a data frame? That is the question. Oh, it's okay, it's the label rows. So yeah, no, we don't want the index. Oh, should we technically, when we read CSV, can we do that as well? Make sure we don't get the label names. Oh, is the numbers that pandas automatically makes up to associate with each row? Oh, okay, cool. Cool. Awesome. And so that will just output those CSVs? Is it really that simple? We're about to find out. Unhashable type numpy. Do we need numpy? Is that an issue? Or is it just saying that? Yeah, I was hoping it would. I was hoping it would work. Oh. 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 My bad. I'm looking at the chat on my phone. I apologize. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Phoenix. No way. No way. No way. No way. You're kidding me. Let's get the test data. How many? There should be like 20,000 lines? Or I don't know. Okay, more than 20. Wait, how many were in the original? Okay, oh yeah, not 20,000, 200,000. That's what, yeah. Okay. Damn. 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 That's incredible. That's so awesome. And so now these were taken, and so none of those should be in our training data, and this should be, oh wait, why did I open it there? This should be about 800,000 lines. No way. No way. That's so cool. Python is so nice. Where's Brian? Brian left. I gotta tell Brian that Python's nice. Thank you so much, Phoenix. This is amazing. Yep, just about 800,000. No way. Oh, that's so cool. Okay. Okay. This is amazing. This is amazing. Dude, I am so happy right now. You have no idea. I'm so excited. I have no idea if it's gonna work or not. But like, even the fact that I can separate those that easily. Like, what was that? Like 5 lines of code? Dude, that's wild. Look at that. Look at that. What is this? Not including the import. That's so awesome. Thank you so much. Okay. So now we can just take any data and just get that. Let's just call this let's call it F. Hopefully that still works. Will it overwrite files? Doesn't R mean it won't override? Oops. Who knows? Normally I do not. I've been programming a lot in JavaScript lately, and normally I program in C#. So every time I program in Python, I'm like so amazed by its simplicity. Like so amazed. Okay, wait, let's open this again. It seemed to just run without problem. Where'd it go? Why does it do this, man? What's our first Grandin State on 4/26/2013? Whew, let's keep that pulled up. Let's run it again. Permission denied because I have it open. Okay. But if I don't have it open, yeah, normally I program in C#. I love C#. Oh, nice. Nice. Dude, C++ is a fun time. It can be really annoying though at times because of the inconveniences of C and kind of how they patch them up in C++. Yeah, I'm way better at C# than C or C++ though. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Because C++ does all your memory management, or C# does all your memory management for you. You don't have to deal with it. Which I don't believe C or C++ do, but I could be wrong. Maybe C++ does. But look at that. That's wild. That is wild. That's true. That's true. If you never use C, then yeah, that's a really good point. That's a really good point. If you're just learning C++ and you don't have to deal with the way that you do things in C being slightly different in C++, then you'll be all good. As long as you never have to go and write something in C. That's awesome. Okay. All right. So now we got this. So, dude, thank you so much. Because now that we have, oh, thank you for following, man. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. I just started streaming. Like for the first time in like 3 or 4 years, and I just wanna learn AI stuff. I just want to get familiar with it because I think it's very important. Thank you so much. All right. Oh, we named this test, didn't we? Cool. Well, in that case, I think it's about time to try it. Okay, so our columns are selecting on the station name. Actually, let me just open this one more time. Okay, yeah, so we didn't include the index. We didn't include pandas thing. Okay, that's fine. Okay. Technically, we didn't even need to include station ID, but that's fine. All right, so we want station name, date type, and rides. Rides is numeric. We pass it in there. Station name, we just do this. We'd probably almost do a function for this, but that's fine for now. Now here's what I don't know. In TensorFlow, does this need to be changed now that we're... I don't know really how these dense layers work. But I say we just try it out. It probably won't work, but I think it's worth a try. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Oh. Let's try that. Really? How was it so easily able to grab? Like, this always works. And yet this one, not so much. Huh. Well, yeah, it was. Originally, this script was grabbing from the internet, but I changed it to this after I downloaded the files, and it worked just fine. Oh, sorry if you posted a link and it wouldn't show up. Second argument is... yeah, second argument is the URL. Do I need to... Is there any way that I specify, like, instead of HTTPS, do I specify, like, file? Is that it? No. That can't be it. But, like, I can run Titanic again, just like this, and it'll run fine. I mean, it's worth a shot. Let me try it. How many of these are we doing? Okay, 10. Okay. Dude, I don't know either then, because look, this will work just fine. Boom. We're running. We're running. And it's even GPU accelerated now, which is awesome. I should almost change the name of the stream, but we'll be done soon. It's fine. Then should I just host? Should I just host the files somewhere? I could just host them on my website. let's just pop that. Actually, well, it does seem unnecessary, but well, yeah, actually, you're completely right. It does seem very unnecessary because it's working fine in the Titanic one. So is it something weird like I have an underscore in the name? That makes no sense to me, but who knows? Is the music at a good volume, by the way? I can't tell. I know it's just been going, but right now it's kind of loud. Yes? I believe so. I would hope. No, actually, no, I don't think it returns the path to the file. Because we're passing it the path to the file relative to where we are right now. I think it returns, like, the file. Oh, well, actually, in the tutorial, it is, the variable is called the file path. Yeah, because then this actually gets the data set from it. This makes a data set from the CSV. Yeah, then I'm not quite sure why we even need to... Yeah, the first argument is the file name, the second one is the origin. Oh, so because I was downloading them from the internet before, it saved it in the cache somewhere. So now TensorFlow just knows. It just skips over these lines probably. Not skips over them, but like says, I already got this. So I don't need to go get it anymore. That's totally what it is then. Then I'll just host them. I'll just host them. That seems ridiculous, but it's fine. It's fine. How did that get updated? Don't need it. Is there anything else in V9? No. Just delete that. Let's pull. I don't know if I'm actually on the newest. I think you just need to change the train path. So literally just literally that? You think so? Oh, so this is just if you want to grab it off the internet. think you're right. Let's try it out. Question mark. How many of these is it gonna do? 10? Okay, yeah, it got past it. Cool. Thank you. Let's see. Cool. What line? 64. Will you still need me? Okay. I wonder if rides needs to be the first. So it's saying that rides is not a thing? Question mark. So it's trying to pop. Is that where it's failing? Or it's trying to pop the name? I almost feel like it's still not reading the files properly. Because it's failing. Oh yeah, right here. There it is. So why can't it grab rides? Why is that a key error? We're still on numeric. Yeah. Why would that be an error? The only thing I can think is that this somehow needs to be the first one. I don't know. It's probably not it. Nope. Is the issue just that we only have one? Where do we give it features? Where are we passing it features? Huh. I actually don't know what to make of this. Where are we passing it features? Well, I guess that's what it's returning. Oh, because it's returning the key value pairs. And it's saying rides doesn't work. Was it not rides? It's rides in the file. Yeah. Yeah, it's lowercase rides. I just checked. Call the data janitor. Right? I'm hoping that's a joke. Because otherwise I have no clue what the data janitor is. It's literally right here. It is lowercase rides. Everything in there's lowercase. Okay. I was like, I really hope that's a joke. Otherwise I'm going to feel really stupid. But then again, I don't want to feel stupid doing any of this. Because like I have no idea what I'm doing in terms of AI. I just want to get some general understanding. And we're getting there. Like we have it running on my GPUs, which is insane. Well, it's running on my CPU, but accelerated with my GPUs. So cat's playing out there. So the literal only thing I can think of. Also, dude, Phoenix, thank you so much. Where is it? Where is it? Dude, doing this blows my mind. Then I never have to write all those out. Could it literally just be that there's only one numeric that shouldn't be an issue unless Python 2.7 is stupid and I should just be using Python 3. I don't know how to get it to use Python 3 though. It just wouldn't use it. Like 2 days ago when I was setting all this up, it just would not use Python 3 no matter what I did. It's failing on this line. So when it tries to pop, what? See, that's just confusing. Oh, dude, you know it, Nick. Look at this. We got people helping me out. Nick, I've made so much progress because of Phoenix here. You have no idea. And Church of Ikes is coming in here and making just the best jokes. I know. Who knew people would be so interested? Problem is, Nick. Problem is, we're failing right here. And we're trying to pop the word rides out of features. Oh. Again, okay. Okay, someone please tell me. When we call this, where are we giving it the features? Is it here? Is this features this? Or is that this? That has to be this, because this is when we call it. That's this. So why would it be failing to get rides? Key error. Python pop. Let's figure this out. I'm gonna close this. Oh, so could the problem just be that oh no, because we're mapping this train data to the names, I'm guessing. So then it's saying, okay, take I get it. It's taking all the names that are within the feature or labels. I don't know which one of these we're passing in. I'm assuming we're passing rides to right here. And it's saying for all of the things in the CSV that match the column rides, pop that to numeric features, then cast it to a float and stack. I don't know if this is right. No. Like, what is the key error? Like, it's not even giving me a key error. It's just telling me that the key error is happening on rides. I think it must... Could it be because... Okay, let's think about it like this. Here we have survived as our label column. Then when we get our numeric data, survived is nowhere to be found. And when we get our categorical data, where is it? Survived is also nowhere to be found. So since survived is the thing that we were testing in that, and in this case rides is the thing we're testing here, do we just not need it? I feel like we very much need it in our training data. But it doesn't even seem like we packed it. Like we didn't add it to here. Like we just set it as our label column and just moved on. So here, we're setting it as our label column. Oh shit, I'm not even... Yeah, my bad. I'm confused what link deleted is in your init. Dude, you're telling me. Where are you seeing link deleted? In my init. Do you initialize? Yeah. Well, yeah, so right here, I mean, do we initialize it when we call it here? Or when we map it to our raw training data and our raw testing data? I don't actually know. Here's a good idea. I'll just do that. I'll just do an init pack. It inits after we show batch. Yeah, so it's being initialized when we do this. I think since we're mapping it to the training data, that initializes this as... Yeah, it does. It does. I think just because we're mapping it. So like this, it either... Yeah, I think it inits and then it calls it with numeric features, which we can also test. No, we know it inits before that. Yeah. So it's getting to this line, which we know. It's getting to 65. It's getting here. It's initializing, and then it's calling itself with features, being the only feature being rides, and somehow rides is invalid, which makes no sense. So, question is, why is rides an invalid key? And my only thought, what is raw training data? Or raw train data? That's a data set that we're getting from the path. See, this is why I feel like we had to I don't know. It's a data set we're getting from the path, selecting these columns. I almost feel like we don't need to add rides to numeric features because we set rides as our label column. Meaning that's... Oh, but that makes no sense. I don't know, because in our Titanic one... Yeah, it's not a dictionary, it's a... It's a data set that we're getting by using make CSV data set from TensorFlow. So that's what it is. So okay, back to Titanic. In this example, survived is our label column. And survived can only be one of two options. It can be a Boolean, a 0 or 1. We never specify that, but we pass it into our label column, and then later we say select survived in the selected columns. But when we're getting our numeric features, we never say to handle it there. And when we're getting our categories, we never say to handle it here either. So usually your target doesn't go through the network. It is to train predictions. You would check survived in Titanic. I would think so too. I was just following a tutorial. So you're saying I should add what's it called? I should add survived right here in Titanic. And say literally 0 or 1. Or do I add survived as a numeric? Because 0 or 1, it's technically numeric. I'm pretty sure right here. Wait, let me comment this out. Let's just try this. Let's just try survived right there. Let's try running Titanic where it actually checks survived. Boom. Oh. So you're saying treat it the same way as in don't add it to numeric. Because my thought process was in Titanic, we're never adding it to the numeric or the categorical features. So is it even checking that? I don't know. I don't think so. So I guess we'll just do this. We'll just make this empty. It's going to be slightly slower getting started, but who cares right now? Oops. Wait, don't run that. Okay. Okay, well, in that case, that really still hits an issue even if I don't pass anything. You told TensorFlow to use survived as the label, so it's what's used for back propagation and adjusting the weight of the network. Okay, so I told it that, okay, thank you for that sanity check. Okay, so telling it that survived is my label does make it care about, like, that's what it cares about. Okay, cool. So now the issue is passing nothing to numeric features still crashes, which we don't want. I'll just add if features hopefully that doesn't. I feel like it still might crash because labels isn't initialized. Did that crash at the exact same spot? Yeah. So this should be labels? Or actually, oops. Numeric features. Do that. Customer. Cannot describe data frame without columns. This is very interesting. So because we passed nothing to it, we moved past that now. But where do we use that? Use that a bunch. Okay. Okay. So what we doing? Well, what we're doing is I live in Chicago, so I found a whole bunch of data on the Chicago L tracks, which is known as the CTA, which is like public transport. It's like the trains, the subway. And we're trying to figure out how many riders will be on the train on some day, given 800,000 other days, and trying to see how accurate we can get it. I don't know how accurate it's gonna be, but right now we're just we're fixing a bug with passing 0 columns through what is it? 0 numeric columns. So if we have no numeric features, we're just fixing it so that it'll handle that well. Let's see. What's the best way to do this? What is the best way to do this? Exactly. Edge cases, man. Because I don't want to write the same if a million times and be like, if the list is empty, just don't. Because I'd have to write it once up here, and then all the way down where we combine them. Right here. Which isn't too far away from each other. Okay, they're both a list, so we could just add nothing. Okay. Okay, then yeah, we just need to write it once. And then we could just handle that down there. If where's this heading? Okay, when it goes to describe it. So we'll drop this down. If nf equals empty list, I think. Or not equals. I think we just do that. And then we just check that again. Down here, when we go to get numeric columns, no, it doesn't matter because numeric columns will be an empty list. Oh, actually, no, it won't be defined. Can we just do this? Else numeric columns equals, oops, yeah, that. Let's try it. Hopefully, oh, it looks like it has a problem. I was gonna say, hopefully this line doesn't, is that the, where are we at now? Oh, we're still at 79. Why are we at 79? Oh, did I do the if wrong? So, well, that's a very nice error message. Thank you for telling me how to fix it. Should we just do if nf.any? Is that just gonna say if there's any? No, that's not what any does it? Let's just try if empty. Oh, how do you say not in Python? Is it the squiggly? I actually don't remember. Is empty a function? Is it really just you write out not? Thanks, man. Okay, wow, it is just not. Okay. Is empty a function or is it an object? Or a boolean within the data frame? We're about to find out. I would think it would be a function, but where are we at now? Oh, we made it. Oh. Must not be empty. Okay, well we only do this to just print out a batch of things, so plop that up there. What else? Okay, yeah, we only do that for that. So that's fine. Okay, it's an attribute. Okay, cool. All the other ones were functions. Aha! Look at that. Wait, how many are we doing? Whoa. Oh wow, it's gonna take a lot longer because there's just so much more data? Question mark? I feel like this is bad. I feel like that's very bad. At least our accuracy is... I feel like this is wrong. Yeah, it's going. It's going. It's doing something. But isn't this bad? No, wait. Oh. Isn't this bad that this is going down? Or do we want the accuracy... I thought we want the accuracy to be going up. No, because the accuracy... The last time we ran it for Titanic was like a percentage. Or a decimal. I feel like this is bad. But who knows at this point? Yeah. Is that bad? Faster than a brick in a vacuum. Jesus. You're not wrong. Is that bad or is that good? Do we want it? I feel like that's good. No, it's not good. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's not good. It's not. Obviously. I knew that wasn't good. It's running though. Oh, well here's a problem. It's gonna get to this and crash because we didn't rewrite the prediction thing. Oop. This should be going up. Well, we've definitely got an issue. But it's running. So I still consider this a big victory. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. All right. Well. Should we stop this? We need to rewrite this. Was that a yes should we stop this? I don't know what that was a yes to. I feel like we should stop this. I feel like this is not doing us well. I'm gonna drop myself back down. That way there's nothing going on down there. Yeah, I'm gonna stop this. Okay. So here's the other thing about this tutorial. I just kind of, when I got to this part and the model was being fit, I was so happy that I just kind of copy pasted the prediction, the testing and the prediction stuff. So I'm not even sure how this works. So I don't know how this zip function works in Python. I'm gonna be quite honest with you. can be built-in iterables. It returns an iterator of tuples based on the iteratable objects. So we take predictions and it just returns 10 of them. Okay. So instead of survived, we should just say rides. So predicted number of riders or rides. Or wait, not that. That's not gonna be the number. That's just like predicted. Oh, I don't know. I feel like this is different now because before we were predicting whether or not people were going to live, so we were getting like a percentage, and now we're predicting how many people have ridden the CTA in a day. So I'm thinking we don't want percent. Do we keep this colon though? I don't actually know. Oh, thanks. Okay. Yeah, no worries. Phoenix, thank you so much, man. You have no idea how amazingly helpful this has been. Yeah, your rides is continuous. Yeah. Definitely. Dude, thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good night, man. All right. Let's see. Static was predicting a binary target. Good night. I would look up what you need to change a neural network to work with continuous prediction. You are setting your data as categorical. I think you should do a lot more. Oh, you're setting your date as categorical. You should do a lot more with this column. Perhaps segmenting out. Yeah. Yeah, you think so? Oh, that's so true. That's so true. Because it could probably find like really weird patterns between things happening on certain days. Definitely within certain years. Yeah, you're totally right. It's probably a lot easier for it to figure things out when those are separate. Because if those are all under one big umbrella, it's probably going to draw really weird conclusions. Like who knows, like even the slashes in the dates could possibly mess with that. So that's a really good point. Let's see. Yeah, I think tomorrow what we'll do is tomorrow I'll look up how to change or yeah, how to change the neural network to look for a continuous variable. This has been so good though. We technically got in a 4-hour stream because I had to restart my computer once. Ugh. Wonderful. 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 All right. Well, let's see. Let's do. I'm just gonna run this again because even though it's fucking not working, I think it'll still be really funny. Um, Look at that accuracy. Oh. Oh, did it go negative? Is that what that is? Oh no, it's such a small number. It's such a small number. So the accuracy is just like terrible. That's hilarious. That that's so bad. That's so bad. Um TensorFlow predict number. Do we have reshape? Is shape? Don't we have shape in there? Oh, well that would be the issue. We're shaping the whole thing around an empty list. Oh, well no, that's just the numeric column. Oh, here we go. Let's look up TensorFlow.qrs.losses. Let's see the different types of losses there are. So you got binary cross, categorical cross, log. Huh. Oh, that's off. There we go. Okay. Computes the mean of absolute difference between labels and predictions. Is that what we want? Maybe we can try it. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Let's try that out. I guarantee you that fails, but let's try it anyway. We're going. Hey, we're getting lower loss. Our accuracy is going up. Maybe. No, it's not. No, it's not. But our loss is going down. Okay, our accuracy is going up. Holy shit. Okay. It's like fluctuating. It's completely fluctuating. This is crazy. Our loss is ever so slowly going down. I feel like if we left this running long enough, the accuracy will start going up as our loss goes down. I feel like there's a chance. Okay, our loss is getting lower. This is wild. Our accuracy is not getting much better though. In fact, it's still getting worse. But I feel like once we hit the breaking point of loss getting close to 0, our accuracy is going to start shooting up. That's what I feel like is going to happen. That's what I feel like is going to happen. We will see. Alright. I think I'm going to leave this running for tonight. And we'll be back We'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, this accuracy is terrible. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll be back tomorrow, and we will hopefully get this working a bit better. That's the goal, anyway. All right. All right. We'll be back tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Adios.